Hi students, welcome to my journey. We are going to see exercise 7.3, sum number 19, 20 and 21. Sum number 19, 1 divided by sin x cos cube x. So let us take I is equal to integral 1 divided by sin x cos cube x dx. So now we are going to multiply and divide by cos x. So multiply and divide by cos x. Divide by cos x. So this implies 1 by cos x into cos x. In the numerator we will have cos x divided by sin x into cos cube x. Cos cube x, this comes under integral and dx. So now we are having 1 by cos x and cos x by sin x cos cube x. So I can write cos x divided by sin x into 1 divided by cos power 4x dx. This cos cube and cos is getting multiplied. So 1 by cos power 4 is nothing but secant power 4x divided by secant power 4x, and cos x by sin x is nothing but cot x. So secant power 4x into this cot x, we can write it as 1 divided by tan x into dx. So this implies, why I am writing 1 by tan x is nothing but, we know the trigonometric identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So that is our idea. So now secant power 4 can be written as secant square into secant square divided by tan x dx. So this is equal to secant square x, we can write it as 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x into secant square x. The reason is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We are using this identity. So from this, if I get secant square theta, we get 1 plus tan square theta. So that is what we are writing. So divided by tan x. So this is equal to, now we can substitute the value. Let us say t is equal to tan x. So when I used to substitute, we have to differentiate that. So differentiate with respect to x. So dt divided by dx is equal to secant square x. So now from this we need the value of dx. So dx is equal to dt divided by secant square x. So let us highlight this and we substitute in the previous term, the integral. So integral 1 plus t square into, the denominator is t, and into secant square x, dx value is dt divided by secant square x. So this secant square get cancelled and we are left with 1 plus t square divided by t into dt. So now let us split the integral. So on splitting we get 1 by t, integral 1 by t dt plus integral t square by t dt. So this is 1 by t dt plus this t square and t gets cancelled, it is integral t dt. So 1 by t integral is log mod t plus integral of t is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. So let us substitute the value log mod t value is nothing but tan x. So log mod tan x plus t square is tan square x divided by 2 plus c, this will be the answer. Next, moving towards sum number 20. Sum number 20, cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x the whole square. So integral, let us take it as I is equal to integral cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x the whole square. So this is equal to, this cos 2x we can write it as, the formula, there is a trigonometric formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So let us substitute that. So integral cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x, the whole square. So in the numerator we can see that cos square x minus sin square x. So I can write it as cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. Why I am writing? Because we are using the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is why we have written cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x divided by the denominator. So now cos x plus sin x and cos x plus sin x, numerator and denominator value gets cancelled and we are left with integral cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So now we can take some substitution. So when I used to take substitution, let us take the denominator. Let t is equal to cos x plus sin x. Now when I used to differentiate with respect to x. So dt by dx equal to cos x is nothing but minus sin x plus sin x. If I used to differentiate, we get cos x. So cos x minus sin x. So dt divided by dx value is nothing but cos x minus sin x. From this we get the value of dx. So dx is equal to dt divided by cos x minus sin x. So let me highlight this. So we are going to substitute the t value and dx value in the integral part. So integral cos x minus sin x divided by t into dx is dt divided by cos x minus sin x. So this both get cancelled and we are left with 1 by t, integral 1 by t dt. So integral of 1 by t is obviously log mod t. So log mod t plus c. So the substitution value, t value is cos x plus sin x. So log mod cos x plus sin x plus c is the answer. Sum number 21, sin inverse of cos x. So integral sin inverse of cos x dx. So we have to integrate this part. We know the trigonometric formula that sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t, this value is equal to pi by 2 for modulus t is less than or equal to 1. Okay. So we are going to imply this. So here sin inverse of t, I can write it as pi by 2 sin inverse of t is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse of t. So in the place of t I am having cos x. So we get pi by 2 minus cos inverse of t value is cos x into dx. So this, let me put the bracket. So this is equal to integral pi by 2 minus cos inverse and cos gets cancelled and we are left with x dx. So pi by 2 dx minus integral x dx. So pi by 2 is a constant, so we can keep it outside, integral dx minus integral x dx. So pi by 2, the integral of dx is x minus integral of x is x square by 2 plus c. This will be the answer. Thank you for watching, students. We meet you in the next session.